produced by Mentor in collaboration with Project 8, to be distributed by Warner Bros.
Memorize. Okay, Gio.
Uninvited, December 25. If you are uninvited, then Gate Crash.
Gate Crash, okay. Need Ketchup, Eusebio. So Ketchup?
We also want to mention like, the other cast members that weren't able to be here. We also have Miss Maylene Lizon, Cholo Barreto, Elijah Canlas, and Miss Lotlot De Leon. So we're very grateful that you guys are here, and we expect your support. And everybody, we have to celebrate this kind of phenomenon that we're experiencing right now. So thank you very much, and see you all in December 25.
Again, you are all invited on December 25. Uninvited po, supportahan po natin ang pelikula Pilipino.
Brian, ikaw din.
So sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito, help us out to promote the movie. Guys, December 25, the billionaires are having a party. You're not invited. Let's all gate crash together.
Uy, I love that. Okay, Sir Tirso.
What else will I say? Dami na naman nasabi. But anyway, we would like to really invite everybody. Kami lang po yung uninvited. Pero lahat kayo, invited para panoorin yung pelikulang ito. And I am very much honored once again to say this is such a powerhouse cast, and the movie is really heart-stopping. Kanya abangan nyo po. Panoorin nyo po talaga. Titigil ang pagtibok ng puso nyo.
Uy, wag naman. Nakatakot ba na ito? Okay, direct na.
Ayun, so sa December 25 po, kita-kita po tayo sa sinihan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, direct. Nari?
Yeah, I want to thank everyone po ulit for being here. Maraming salamat. We're all very happy to see you all. And uninvited po sa December 25. Sana po panoorin po ninyo. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Aga.
Ay, Ma'am Lisa.
Tinaw na tayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Huling pagkakataon ko na to sa harapan po ninyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa Mentor. Brian, thank you for having me para sa pelikula to. V, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Happy to have worked with you again. Nadine, so first movie together, and the happiest. Thank you for the opportunity. This is the boys over here. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you guys. And Mr. Tirso Cruz, Pico, maraming salamat, boss. Gabby, and again, napakahirap siguro ng ginampanan kong role dito, but uulitin ko talaga, isang simpleng sikreto lang na kaya ako medyo nadalian ko talaga sumarap ang paggawa ko ng pelikula. Uulitin ko po dahil po sa aming ni Mick. Tayo ka please.
Mick! Yes, Mick! Tata!
Paolo! Our DOP, maraming salamat sa iyo.
Hi, Pao!
Our writer, Dodo, thank you very much. And of course, our director, Dan Villegas. Dan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, sumaya kaming lahat dito. Nakapaggawa kami po ng pelikula. Sana po magustuhan po ninyo talaga lahat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone feels like a billionaire because of everyone here on stage, no? And of course,
last but not the least, our star for all seasons, Ate V. Please invite everybody, and we will also have a special toast.
There we go. On cue with the drinks. Okay, this is a celebration after all. A billionaire's ball, and we are part of it. We are invited, actually.
We're not actually invited. We are gate crashers.
We are gate crashers. That's the right word. Okay. Here we go.
Kasama rin kami.
Everyone has their glasses. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses up. And actually,
Sa lahat po
gate crash. And this is also the perfect night to ask for your support. Please support us po para naman mas makilala ang pelikula po namin Uninvited for December 25. And also, we would like to congratulate the Metro Manila Film Festival on their golden anniversary. And we are very, very honored to be a part of this golden Metro Manila Film Festival. And I'm asking you to please support it and support the 10 films na ipalalabas po sa Metro Manila Film Festival. So to all of you, please tulungan niyo po kami na makilala po ang pelikulang Uninvited because we're very, very, very proud of this movie. Again, to our family, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. May God bless us all and good luck on December 25. To all of us, enjoy the evening. Cheers!
Uninvited, showing on December 25 as part of the golden anniversary of FFFF.
Narinig ko ang buong pamilya, mga kaibigan, dahil pinipila ko, mag-crush tayo lahat. Uninvited on December 25, an official entry to the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
This is the biggest party of the year. Actually, kanina pa natin ito hinihintay. So ladies and gentlemen, as we promised a while ago, we have that special treat for everyone right here in Soler North. Yes, we are giving you an exclusive look on Uninvited's official trailer. Is everyone excited? You guys ready? Let's make this happen. Sa team bahay na nanonood sa atin ngayon, we'll be dropping the official trailer on our socials this November 30. Okay? But right now, please don't leave